Mr. Williams, we consider you the king of country music. What do you feel about country music that's being sung in our new age? It sounds like it said boring. That's what it said, boring. You hear that? I agree with you, sir.
It's garbage.
Country music that's being sung now isn't from the heart. It's not really country music anymore. Is there any songs that you wish that you would have sung before you passed away? Is there anything that you have regrets for?
Did you die of pneumonia? Look at you. Huh?
Well, sir, we appreciate. Yes, sir.
Wow. That was going to help me.
Can you say that again, sir? Anything y'all want to ask?
Did you die in the back of your Cadillac? You know your driver just passed away.
Did he?
Is he driving you around now? Sound like he said close to you.
Well, Mr. Williams, we appreciate you talking to us. We wish you all the best, sir. We're fixing to leave, so if there's anything that you'd like to talk to us, maybe we can relay a message to your son, Hank Jr. Maybe we can get something out to him. If you need something, if you have something you need to tell him, you can tell us right now, and we'll try our best to. He may not believe us, but we can send it to him.
What's your mouth on the road? Is that color? Yeah. Anybody else here wants to send a message? Audrey, are you here?
We thank y'all for talking to us, and we wish you all the best, sir, and just want to let you know we have a lot of respect for you and your music. Thank you so much.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Oh, good, sir.